today I'm going to be doing another makeup tutorial because I know you guys wanted me to do some more makeup tutorials. I got this inspiration because I always see the makeup looks where they put the teal on the bottom lash line, so I thought let's try it in the inner corner. So I did a little bit of teal in the inner corner. I did like a gold neutral look. I know that I'm doing a lot of wearable looks, but I'm going to incorporate more color and stuff like that. This is like a hint of color. We're dipping our toe into it, but because I want to keep trying more and more unique looks and stuff like that. But if you want to see how to do this look on my face right now, just keep on watching. Hey, this is just my future self. I was looking back and I feel like I should have brought the gold up higher because I do have hooded lids. I feel like it would have looked a lot better. I just wanted to pop in real quick to let you guys know that. So if you guys have hooded lids, make sure you bring that gold up a little bit more because like when I open my eyes, you can't see any of the colors. So just an FYI, just a tip from the future, looking back on things. You feel me? So this is the finished look. It kind of reminds me of like Princess Jasmine since it has gold and then the teal in the inner corner. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you guys in my next one. See ya!